sun is dipping out.
Go for the rain, day 2. Get yourself a waterproof case or a diving housing case, and then you can have images. The GoPro, I think, is water resistant, but I don't trust it, so I know this is completely protected, although it does get hot, so don't do it too low. The rain's not like freezing, but it's not exactly warm, so it's just great. I could have brought my chair.
See how it's going like that way? It's coming like this way. Yeah. I think there's a pretty good riptide going on right here, but not over there. Those are going straight. This one's going at angle. And if you go past the waves, it's pretty smooth, honestly. Like that's where the dolphins are at. Yeah. I try to stand over here away from people with the GoPro. That way I'm not like annoying them on camera.
Getting pretty soaked, and it feels great. 4K